Welcome to the Hartford Boat Show 2019. This is a 50th anniversary being held at Mohegan Sun Casino. My name is Keith Abel and I work for MarineMax. Today I'm going to introduce you to the 250 Outrage Boston Whaler. This particular boat is powered with twin 225 Mercury four-stroke engines. Has a beautiful hardtop. These boats are great for fishing, cruising, water sports. Has plenty of range. Beautiful dash for your electronics. As we pan towards the transom, we do have a flip out seat for additional seating. This boat is equipped with a livewell. Beautiful T-top with rocket launchers. Life jacket storage. Nice enclosure with an electric vent window. This boat does have the gull wings to protect you from wind and rain when necessary. As we move forward to the bow of the boat, we're greeted by a beautiful bow cushion, an optional bow table, and also additional seating. This boat does have the electric windlass and a beautiful vacuum flush head and plenty of storage. For more information on the 250 Outrage Boston Whaler, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you and see you on the water.